So we're back at this hedge job here, and we're just doing this hedge here today. Brought the apprentice with me. It's like a dog to a bone. We started before I even got the camera out. So he's at that hedge coming along there. And then we're also going to do this hedge in here. Can't really straighten it too much. It's very low here compared to that one. And it's also quite curvy this way, but this is a seating area. You don't want to make it too bare, so we'll just have to curve that one a wee bit for now. And I'm going to start at the hedge down here, this big Leylandii again, my favourite. So the machine's warming up there. We're just going to start by strimming. This is my, it's a homemade strimmer handle. I'm actually sort of hoping to make a few of these and maybe try selling them. They're a brilliant job, but I'm trying to get a different clamp here and a slightly different handle arrangement that makes it a bit more versatile, easier to take on and off, you know. For whenever you're hedge cutting, it sort of gets in the way, but whenever you're strimming, I wouldn't be without it. the lopper along the top there as much as I can reach in. So now we need to go down the far side. I think we're going to end up having to somehow try and get up into the middle there to get the, there's going to be a bit in the middle I can't reach. But we'll get it done. Let's get round here. Real cool wee path. Last day I was here, streamed this. These two neighbours are buddies and they just nip through the hedge for a cup of tea. You see we have, that's an electric pole there with a lovely sticker on it that says warning danger of death. We've got a bank here, so we just have to be very careful with the ladders in case I end up down in there. The hedge is fairly straight up and down, but definitely kicks out at that end and it's out at this end, but I've pushed that back. You can see it's right on the limit of the brown in there, and you can see there's an old cut, so I've got that back just about, it's as far as it's possible to push it back, you know, to free up as much space. You can see before you could hardly get a walk behind more past. Now you could definitely get a ride on past, so it's about as good as we're going to get that. Same sort of thing down here, you know, we're getting close to the brown there, so that's about as far as I can get the face back. I actually think there's a wee little bit in the middle here which I've just sort of gone over lightly to, you know, square it all up, but I actually think if we'll let that come out a wee bit, you can get a nice straight line in that. It would look a lot better. finished hedge anyway. The top's very thick, heavy stuff, so we've cut a wee hair lower than it really needs to be. The plan is then, you know, next year you can just get a real nice line on it. So we've got a good enough line for now. Let's have a look at the other side. Got it all raked up, nice and tidy. Fairly square at the end there. Fairly nice straight sides on her for, well, as good as we can get, you know. So I'll just go here and we'll see how the apprentice got on. So the GoPro has a fisheye lens that I noticed. I put the last video up. This hedge that I cut last week. You really thought it was curved, you know. It's not, it's pretty straight. You can see it whenever I turn the camera, actually the curve seems to move along it. So the apprentice did this bit. Looks pretty straight to me. I'm whispering in case he hears me. Let's just see how you get on with the other. He got the awkward hedges. But the one in the middle here was very bumpy. So yeah, he's done a good job of this. Again, that's just continuation of that field hedge from up there. Looks pretty good. Look at that view out there. That's Scrabo Tower, Strangford Loch. Okay, and then he cut this one as well, which wasn't possible to get very straight, but he's done a good job there too. So let's go down, see him here. So I've showed everybody his work, so if you let put a comment down below and let us know if you think I should keep this boy on. If you think he works all day for 2 cans of Coke and a drink of tea, so he's not too hard to pay. But let me know if you think he did a good enough job, if we should keep him on. I don't know how many summers there's left in him, is the only problem. That's us all gathered up anyway, so we'll just a blower to go in and we're away, so it's getting late on Saturday evening. Thanks very much again for watching. See you in the next one. Hold on. Hey, Fish. Has the apprentice any words to say about the job?
No.
What happened to your head?
It's cut.
You're right, your head's cut. But the only thing you're good at cutting.